Hey, what's up everybody? Chevy Dave here from Jack Schmidt Chevrolet over here in O'Fallon, Illinois. Hey, I'm going to do a quick walk around and review on this brand new 2021 Chevy Silverado. This is a high country model, but this truck is not like all the other trucks out on our lot. And I'll explain why here in a little bit. If this is your first time checking out my channel, I'm Chevy Dave. I do vehicle reviews along with giving you guys some great industry information to help you out with your next vehicle purchase. If you're on the market for a new or pre-owned vehicle, make sure you check out my website, www.chevydave.com. I actually have a free buyer's guide that you can download, and I'll help you out with your next vehicle purchase. Also, you can join my private celebrity group. It's a Chevy Dave Celebrity Group. I give some great insider information along with lots of giveaways. I do at least a gas card a month giveaway out of that group, so make sure you sign up for that as well. But let's take a look at this brand new 2021 Chevy Silverado High Country. All right, so here's just going to be a quick kind of walk around on this brand new 2021 Chevy Silverado High Country. If you want a little more in-depth look at this vehicle, feel free to check out my the link in the description here of this video, and there will be a link to another website that will do a little bit more of a detailed review on the vehicle. So this is a 6.2 liter. This is in the black as far as exterior, and then it does have the power retractable steps, and I'll list all the actual features in the description of this video as well. But it also has the like I said, the 6.2 liter V8 motor in it with the dynamic fuel management system that gets you some really decent gas mileage for a bigger V8. And it does also have the High Country Deluxe package, and then also the technology package as well. So, and this truck also has something that many trucks, many Chevys don't have, and I'm going to show you that here in 2 seconds. Alright, so when you're looking at the tailgate, you'll see that it's got a bow tie on it, where if you look at the other Silverados, like this one pulling away, it's got Chevrolet written on the back. And what is that? That means that it has the new tailgate. Just like the GMC version, Chevy came out with the Multiflex Tailgate. So they changed the name a little bit, but pretty much the same thing. It's they call it the Multiflex. So if you kind of zoom in here real close, you got two buttons right here. So you still can do the lower down with the actual key fob, but then you can hit the top button, and it'll control just this top part, kind of back around here. And then you can actually, this is nice, you can set it, if you're out at a job site, you can put your laptop up here or computer or something like that. Or if you need something to kind of sit inside the bed, if you have like a tonneau cover, you can have a ladder come out here. It kind of puts it more at an angle, which is definitely nice. But it all goes right back up, and then you hit the regular button down here on the bottom, and it'll fold down just like a normal tailgate would. And then inside here there's a little button that you can press, and it has this feature folds up where you can actually put some lumber or something and stop stuff from kind of sliding around. But you can also hit that button again, and it'll lower down, and then you have that step. So you can step up here, and then it's also got the handle over here option to help you get into the tailgate. And then this one also has the Duro bed, spray and bed liner, and then it's also got the power outlet over here. And then also, it's got the LEDs, which I always talk about on my videos. It's really nice where the LED lighting shoots over into each corner, so there's no dead spot as far as in the back here. So whenever you're loading up your truck in the evening, it's really nice. So this is brand new. We just got this in, so I kind of wanted to show it off, and I'll take a look on the inside and show that off as well. All right, so like I said, it does have the retractable steps there, power, and then you got the power windows, power locks, everything. You can kind of look inside here, just kind of take a look at this interior. And then it is a High Country, so it does have the etching in the headrest, which is definitely nice. And then they do have the wireless charging pad, which is actually big enough to fit a lot of the bigger phones, which I definitely like. I know a lot of people have those on the older Silverados. They don't fit as far as the wireless charging pad. It does also have the rear view camera mirror, so you can turn that into actual camera, which is nice. And then you got all the backup camera angles and stuff in the actual radio. It does also have the power sunroof as well. And then here's a look in the back. It does have the heated seats. Sorry, the sun's really bright right now, but you do have the heated seats in the back as well, plus a USB and a USB-C. And then you still have that little storage compartments inside the seat as well. And it does also have the rear sliding glass in the back as well. Alright, so once again, this is Chevy Dave here from Jack Schmidt Chevrolet over here in O'Fallon, Illinois. And this was just a quick walk around on this brand new 2021 Chevy Silverado High Country. Like I said, if you are in the market for a newer pre-owned vehicle, make sure you check out my website, www.chevydave.com, and download my free buyer's guide to help you out with your next vehicle purchase. And while you're there, sign up to become a Chevy Day Celebrity member, where you can get some great information and win some cool prizes as well. So also make sure you give me a thumbs up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos or anything like that. So once again, this is Chevy Dave here. Also drop me a comment below. Let me know what you guys think about the new tailgate. I know some people don't like it, but I really like it. I think it's really cool. And I'm glad Chevrolet finally got that, just like the GMC truck. So make sure you leave me a comment below. Let me know exactly what you guys think about this truck. And I love hearing from my viewers and where you're checking the video out from. I like seeing the reach where I get on all my videos. So once again, this is Chevy Dave here from Jack Schmidt Chevrolet over here in O'Fallon, Illinois. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you for checking out this video.